Okay, I'd say let's start. So let's first of all look at why most people believe that public speaking is not for them, or they're not able to do it and they just kind of feel hindered by it. So the first thing usually is that they think that they're going to be judged by other people, but something that mostly is the case is that they simply believe that they don't have the ability to do it. They believe that this is something out of their range, out of their league, and like, oh no, I can't do public speaking. When I get on stage, I'm gonna black out and I'm literally just gonna fuck up. But usually that doesn't happen, and it's just our ego, telling us otherwise, because we want to stay in survival mode. Our bodies are made to feel safe, and they're made in a way so we can properly survive. And if we want to go on stage, our body and our nervous system is just going to be like, oh, you can't do this, this is not safe for you, those people are going to kill you or something. But you've actually been putting it on a pedestal this entire time. Whenever you think that you cannot do this because it is out of your league, you have that presentation, you have that speech you would like to hold, or you have something else that you want to post on social media. It can be any kind of public speaking experience. If you have a message that you want to share, you need to make it normal for you. And you do this by putting it off that pedestal. If you put it off the pedestal, that thing becomes so regular for you. I was recently invited to a little podcast, and I know I could have just been like, oh my god, this is crazy, this is my first time ever doing it, I don't think I'm gonna do it. But you know what? I just told myself, Leon, stop the fucking overthinking. It's not going to do anything. But what really will do something is to see it as something casual, as something normal, because it is part of your life. And if you want to tell your ego that it is part of your life and you can do it, just think of it this way. What do you have? You have a mouth. And what do you also have? You have a message. So you can use your mouth to spread that message. It's quite simple, actually. So just hold your presentation in front of your class, or go on stage and speak that speech that you want to do. I was recently holding a speech at an art gallery, and it feels so good. Once you're actually on stage and you're speaking to other people and you are saying what you really want to say, it feels so good, and you will completely forget about anyone judging you. You will completely forget that anything wouldn't work out, or you believe that it didn't work out. All these things will be completely indifferent to you, because you come from a state of confidence. And it becomes even lovelier when you speak from a state of abundance and from a state of, I want to give something to other people, instead of, oh, I want their attention and I want their money and I want them to be like, oh, this is great. That's not the whole point of public speaking. The whole point of public speaking and holding a presentation, holding a speech, whatever it is to give something to people, offer something of value, and then you can receive, and you'll be blessed abundantly beyond your means. Like, you speak every day anyway in your day-to-day life. Why would it be harder to speak in front of other people? You can even go into the mirror and be like, oh, public speaking is normal to me. Speaking to other people is something so casual, so normal, it's not even something of a big deal. And even me talking to you right now, it's not a big deal to me. It simply is not, because I do it basically every day, and also I see it as something casual. So I want you to see it as something casual. So I think you got my message now. Thank you so much for watching. It actually is way easier than you ever would have thought. Subscribe to my channel and look at my other videos. I love you all so much. Goodbye.